meteorologist Matt Condon joining us now. Matt, you're from the Northeast. Do you have a favorite winter sport whenever the Winter Olympics comes on?
Ooh, I love to watch curling.
Curling's fun.
It's just so unique. So I just think that one's so fun to watch.
I've always been fascinated by the ski jump. I just don't know how you find out that you're good at that, but that's just something that I'll be drawn to when it comes time for the Olympics. But moving on to our weather right here in and around East Tennessee, you got all the colors of the rainbow right behind you.
Yeah, and we're just dealing with rain. I mean, we have no snow in the forecast, but rain continues to fill into the area, moving in from the south, continuing to push north. So we've been fairly dry so far for this first half of the day in parts of southeast Kentucky, but the rain closing in quickly. The steadiest rain has been along and south of I-40, and that's where moderate rainfall will continue through the afternoon. So areas to the north dealing with steady rain through Scott County, Campbell County. We'll call it lighter intensity, Union, Claiborne County, and still pretty dry through Bell and Harlan counties. But again, rain is quickly filling in. Areas to the south, you may see a few embedded downpours as well from Morgan County through Roane, Loudoun, Monroe, and over towards Blount County as well. We'll watch for these embedded downpours through the afternoon, and again, that chance for flooding is a bit more elevated today compared to what we saw yesterday. So a steady stream of moisture moving into the area. Overall, expecting pretty soggy afternoon and soggy tonight as well, as we'll just see rounds of rain pushing through the area. Temperatures haven't changed much. Most woke up to temperatures in the low 40s. We're only at the mid 40s, only expecting us to warm up a few more degrees, if that, through the afternoon. Overall, a cool rain for the rest of the day. Rainfall totals for the last 2 days, general 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, really picking up speed though across the southern valley. We picked up in some spots an inch of rain already in the last 12 to 24 hours. So we'll watch that area closely. We've already picked up a lot of rain for areas to the north as well. That's where the highest totals fell yesterday. So that flood risk continues area wide. Minor flooding is possible. We will watch for flash flooding, but also rivers, creeks, and streams are likely to run high over the coming days. Specifically in the next 24 hours, expecting some minor flooding along the Pigeon River in Newport and the Cumberland River in southeast Kentucky, specifically through Knox and Whitley counties as well. So as we head through the afternoon, expecting additional waves of rain to push through the area. Driving home tonight, it will be soggy at times. Watch for those embedded downpours, which can result in lower visibility and that chance for some localized flooding. Tonight, still dealing with rain, very soggy, but then during the overnight hours, rain coverage will start to decrease. By sunrise tomorrow morning, and by the time most of us get out the door, a lot quieter. This is 7 a.m., just a few lingering showers. Tomorrow's actually shaping up to be a pretty dry day overall. Now, as the rain continues to push through the area tonight, we will see winds increase in the Smokies. A wind advisory just issued Wednesday evening through Thursday morning. We can see winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. Isolated, we could see a stronger wind gust, especially for those downsloping wind-prone areas. Tomorrow's a backwards kind of day. Warmest in the morning, actually, I think our high for the day is closer to midnight, but out the door, mid-40s. We'll hold in the mid-40s through the morning, and then the cooler air winds out. We'll drop from the 40s down into the 30s. Expecting the 20s out the door on Friday morning. It'll be quite chilly, and then we'll warm up through the afternoon. Friday looks like the nicest day, good to go for Valentine's Day plans. Had a lot of people ask. Game 1, the season opener for the baseballs, looks good. The weekend games, Saturday and Sunday, little iffy. We'll have some rain around, but we will at least be dry on Friday, getting back close to 50 degrees. This weekend brings in our next opportunity for rain. Saturday right now, looking soggy, especially Saturday night into Sunday. And on Sunday, temperatures are going to fall. Cooler air moves in. Flooding risk will be highest Saturday into Saturday night. Notice that 3 out of 4 clipping parts of the area. I think our highest totals, generally 1 to 3 inches, will be north and west of Knoxville. Pretty confident in heavy rain. We'll watch for the threat for some flooding. Also, winds are going to be strong, especially downslope from the higher elevations of the Smokies. We could see winds gusting over 60 miles per hour. And we do have a low-end severe risk as well. Already the Storm Prediction Center highlighting our area to the south and west of Knoxville for that potential for strong to severe storms. Overall, though, the better ingredients for severe weather are well south of our area through parts of Mississippi and Alabama. Temperatures will fall through the day on Sunday. We'll see a change from rain to a wintry mix for areas outside of the valley. Then we're cooler and quieter by early next week. We'll be right back after this quick break.